Hi guys, I just received several orders, so I wanted to share with you what I got. I was pretty excited. They all came on one day, so that was pretty nice. So the first thing that I got was from the last order that I've been waiting for from Craft Day, from HSN, and that's the super big font sentiments from Diamond Press. Look at how huge these are. They this one's hugs, this one says love. This one is thanks. This one says smile. I can't remember what this one was, but let's look. Oh, congrats is one of them. Smile. Thanks. A little note. Hugs and loves. Love. And those are like statement pieces on the front of your card. You know, they're going to be big enough for slimline or for a 5x7. Let's look and see. I'll take it out and see what size these are, because I'm not sure if it would go on an A2 card or not. Let's check this out. There's the ruler. All right, let's see. The smile is almost 4 inches wide and 3 inches. So that one, and let's see what this one is. This one is 4.5. So this is an A2 size card front. So let's see. All right, so it would work on that. The thanks would work. The smile would work. It won't work that way. Congrats would work. Oh, love. Well, love would go. I guess love would go either way, but it's going to be pretty tight. Hugs. And then just a little note would go. But like I said, they're going to be statement pieces, and you're going to have to not do much. Put a little background on it or a little color pattern paper. And then this will do it. So this is good for, this will be really good for a quick card. So I'm pretty happy with those. I did not order that at the very beginning when I ordered my other stuff, which came last week. And for some reason, when I got this just in time before they ran out, it went the slowest way possible that HSN sends, which is the now. I can't even remember what it's called now, but I swear to God, it just sat there at one post office for like Mail Innovations, that's what it's called. It sat there for 4 days, and at one point it said it was at my local post office for a couple of days, and then the next thing I know, it was back in the post office before mine. I don't know what they did with it, so. And then, of course, it comes with the directions, and they always come with a folder, which is so wonderful. And I really appreciate that they give you a free folder. I really wish that, Crafter's Companion would. But then I guess they don't know what machines you have. I mean, I have the Mini and I have the MIDI, so a free folder would be wonderful. But and speaking of Crafter's Companion, I got my last big order from them, and it always is like a crapshoot whether you're going to get everything that you ordered or not, which is always scary because by the time you get your order and you realize they didn't give you something or they gave you something wrong, if it's popular, it's sold out and you can kiss it goodbye. So, and I realized that they give you your money back, but if I wanted my money, I wouldn't have bought it to begin with. I want what I ordered. So, and I'm now alone. So, I got the Create a Card Dragonfly. I've got so many butterflies, but I don't have hardly any dragonflies, and I just thought this was going to be really pretty. So I didn't want any of the other ones, so I just bought the individual. And that's a nice thing about ordering directly from them, their website, because you can get just one of whatever you want, which is what I did with the Farmhouse Collection. Normally I buy all of the collections, but I've been trying to be a little bit more choosy the last few collections, and decide, you know, am I going to use every piece? How many metal dies are in there? And I did notice that a lot of them don't have as many metal dies as I usually do. So, so I just got the things that I cared about. And that was, I wanted the family blessings. I thought this would be great for a scrapbook page, and for Thanksgiving cards, you know, to family members. So I got that one. And then I got the Enjoy the Ride, the truck that comes with all the different little, the flower bed, the bunny rabbits, comes with produce. And it says, happiness is a journey and enjoy the ride. I just love the old-fashioned trucks. It reminds me of my dad. So, and then I thought about this, and I wasn't going to get it, and then I decided I should, and then I went back and forth, but Let Love Grow. I already have a little watering can from the garden collection, I don't know, a year and a half or so ago, but I really liked the die for the envelope, which I guess is like a seed pack, but it'll be perfect. It's so cute, and you can use it for hidden journaling on a scrapbook page. You can use it on a card, and that was the selling point. And I do like that. It says Let Love Grow, and then For You in dies. So those are the three that I got there. And then another one-off is the butterfly frame. I don't have anything that has butterflies that have the big opening to make shake a card. So I thought this would be great. And it comes with hello and a congratulations in the stamp. So I got that one. And then another one off, I got the shaped card word, and I got the hello. It wasn't there. I think they had love and some other ones, but this is the one that I would have used all the time, so I just got this one individually. So that'll be fun. And then this is what I was so worried that I wasn't going to get, was the new Lacy Frames. I think they call them and the nesting frame die collection. So so it came the modern swirl frame, which is 5x5, so that's for a square card, and it has 2 frames, and then it has the like the swirl type pattern. So that one's I like. And then this is the filigree frame, and it's got the outward frame, the in, and then it has a little fancy thing too. And then my very favorite, the Deco Swirl frame, is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So it has the big one, and then it has a circle one, and then the little extra piece. This is just gorgeous, and I am going to do a video on a couple of these. I just love this the minute I saw it. And then abstract frame is also 5 by 5. And it has the square, the round, and then the little piece. Says they're perfect for matting and layering, create fabulous frames and beautiful apertures that will delight your recipients. Sounds like a winner to me. And by the way, these big ones, this one's 6 by 4. They look like they're all 6 by 4. So they would be for 5 by 7 cards, unless you wanted to cut and use them, half of it, or the smaller one can be used on a A2 also. So, all right, and then the next one is Delicate Lace Frame, which is so pretty also. Look at all this, these little dots, like stitching. I just love frames. Oh, and the last one is the decorative rose. Look at how pretty that one is. So it's got the big rose, and then the little pieces is a rose also, and then it's got the scallop frame. So that's going to be gorgeous also. So I just might do a video and just cut one of each of them, just so we can see how they cut and how pretty they are. So, all right. Oh, no, that's not it. I forgot. I also got my Spellbinders Monthly Kit. So originally I had signed up for their, I think it's a large bundle. It comes with the small die, the large die, and the Amazing Paper Grace, the APG. But then last month, the stamp was so cute that I decided to sign up to get that also. And so, and then this month's was just so cute. Look at this. It says, I hug you with my heart every day. I miss your smile, laugh, and you. Happy birthday wishes. Hello, sweet friend. And it has these little borders of flowers. Thank you, congratulations, happy birthday, and thanks for everything. I just love these two. So that's the clear stamp of the month for May. And then this one is the small die of the month. And it's very intricate. And it's the size of an A2, but you can also use it on a slim line because of the different pieces. And you can take it, or it shows you here, on the slim line, you can make cut these twice and then put them, the straight edge, bent it up to each other to fill a slim line. So, and it says, hello, sweet friend, which is perfect. So, and then the large die of the month is this called Stitch Card Front Border and Flower. And so this is your border, and the border can cut in, or it can cut on one edge or both edges, just free. And then it's got a leaf and then a big flower. And then it's got the frame. And I don't know, I think it was last month or the month, maybe last month they had that they were stitching. And I haven't stitched in a long time. And you don't necessarily have to stitch them. But then I was thinking, well, maybe I could try. It would be something to do while I'm watching TV. So if I do, I'll show you. If I don't, I'll show you anyway. So, and then the Amazing Paper Grace die of the month is called a mini 3D vignette garden gate, which is pretty much a mouthful. It's got the gate, it's got an arch, it's got grass, it's got a little lock. And these are so that you can make the vignette. Look at how pretty that is. You're invited. That's so cute. So you can make it just a single, but you can also make it so that it has dimension. So I think that's really pretty. I really like it. So, all right. So that's it. Spellbinders, Crafter's Companion, and Diamond Press. So I better start getting busy for sure. So, all right, well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you taking the time. If you've subscribed to the channel, I really, really appreciate it. If you haven't and you're so inclined, please do. I would appreciate it. So until the next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Thank you. Bye-bye.